A problem on discrete random variable, in that how to find out the unknown value k and mean variance. The problem is a random variable capital X has the following probability function xi minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Corresponding probabilities k 0.1, k 0.2, 2k 0.4, 2k. Now to find unknown value k, mean variance. We know that for finding of the unknown value k, we have the relation, that is, we know that sigma I equal to minus 3 to 3 pi is equal to 1. From this we can write k plus 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.4 plus 2k equal to 1. Here 1k plus 2, 1k plus k, 2k, 2k plus 2k, 4k, 4k plus 2k, 6k. This is 6k plus 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.3, 0.3 plus 0.4, it is 0.7. 0.7 is equal to 1. From this 6k is equal to 1 minus 0.7 equal to 0.3. Then k equal to 0.3 by 6. Here k equal to 0.3 by 6. Elimination of the point we can take in the denominator 10. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it is equal to 1 by 20. Therefore k equal to 1 by 20. Next, to find out, second one is to find mean. The formula of the mean is equal to, that is denoted by mu. Mu equal to sigma I equal to minus 3 to 3 pi xr. That is equal to, xi means minus 3, corresponding pi is k plus minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into k plus 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 2k plus 2 into 0.4 plus 3 into 2k. Then mu equal to minus 3k minus 0.2 minus k plus 0 plus 2k plus 0.8 plus 3 to the 6k. Here 2k plus 6k is 8k. 8k minus 4k is 4k. And here minus 0.2 plus 0.8, it is plus 0.6. This is equal to 4 into k is the 1 by 20 plus 0.6. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. Since we know that from the previous value, that is k value is the 1 by 20. This is equal to 1 by 5 means that is 0.2 plus 0.6 is equal to 0.8. So here mean is equal to 0.8. The third one is the variance. The variance can be defined as V of x is equal to E of x square minus E of x whole square, that is nothing but sigma I equal to minus 3 to 3 xi square into pi minus mu square. This is V of x is equal to minus 3 whole square into k plus minus 2 whole square into 0.1 plus minus 1 whole square into k plus 0 square into 0.2 plus 1 square into 2k plus 2 square into 0.4 plus 3 square into 2k minus 0.8 whole square. Then the variance of x is equal to minus 3 into minus 3, 3 3s are 9k plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 0.1 is 0.4 plus minus 1 whole square is 1 into k is k plus 0 into something is 0 plus 1 square is 1 into 2k is 2k plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 0.4, 4 4s are 16, that is 1.6 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18k minus 0.88 are 64. From this, here we can write 9k plus k, 10k, 10k plus 2, 12k, 12k plus 18, that is 30k plus 0.4 in plus 1.6, here 0, 0.4 plus 0, 0.4, 0.4 plus 1.6 is 2.0 minus 0.64. Here we know the value of k is equal to 1 by 20. So we can substitute here 30 into 1 by 20 plus 2 minus 0.64. 0 0 cancel. It is 3 by 2 equal to 1.5 plus 2 minus 0.64. It is 1.5 plus 2 is 3.5 minus 0.64. Here 3.50 minus 0.64. So 4, 10, 6, 2, 14, 8, 2.86. Therefore, variance of x is equal to 2.86. From the problem, k is the 1 by 20, mean is equal to 0.8, variance is equal to V of x equal to 2.86. The second problem is a random variable capital X has the following probability function. The random variable is x equal to small x, so that values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and the corresponding probability values 0.1, k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3k. Now to find k, that is unknown value, mean, variance, and probability of x is greater than or equal to 2, the probability of x is less than 2. The sixth one is probability of minus 1 is less than x is less than 3. First, what we have to find out to find k? To find k means we know the relation to find the k, that is the all respective probability summation is equal to 1. That is denoted by summation I equal to minus 2 to 3 pi is equal to 1. From this we add all the probability values. 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k equal to 1. From this k plus 2k, 3k plus k is 4k equal to 1 minus 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.3, 0.3 plus 0.3, that is 0.6. 1 minus 0.6, it is equal to 0.4. So k is equal to 0.4 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 4 into 10. 4 ones are 4 ones are, it is equal to 1 by 10. From this the k is equal to 1 by 10. Next, to find out the second one, that is the mean. Mean is denoted by mu. Mu is equal to, by the definition, sigma I equal to minus 2 to 3 pi xi. So here mu can be written as pi xi, means this is the minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into k plus 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 2k plus 2 into 0.3 plus 3 into k. It is equal to minus 2 into 0.1 is minus 0.2, minus 1 into k is minus k, plus 0 into something is 0, plus 1 into 2k is 2k, plus 0.3 into 2 is 0.6, plus 3 into k is 3k. Here plus 3k plus 2k plus 5k minus k, that is plus 4k. 0.2 minus plus 0.6, that is plus 0.4. It is equal to 4 into k is the 1 by 10 plus 0.4. 4 by 10 means we can write it is 0.4 plus 0.4 is equal to 0.8. So here we can write mean mu is equal to 0.8 is the value. Next, to find out the third one, variance. The variance can be defined as expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square, that is equal to summation I equal to minus 2 to 3 xi square pi minus mu square. Why? Because expectation of x is equal to mean, that is mu. It is equal to v of x equal to summation minus 2 to 3, that is nothing but minus 2 whole square into pi is 0.1 plus minus 1 whole square into k plus 0 square into 0.2 plus 1 square into 2k plus 2 square into 0.3 plus 3 square into k minus mu is 0.8 whole square. It is equal to minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 into 0.1 is 0.4 plus minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 into k is k plus 0 into something is 0 plus 1 square is 1 into 2k is 2k plus 2 square is 4, 4 into 0.3 is 4 3s are 12, that is 1.2 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 into k is 9k minus 0.8 whole square is 0.64. Here this is equal to k plus 2k, 3k, 3k plus 9k is 12k, plus 0.4 plus 1.2, that is 1.6, minus 0.64. This is equal to 12 into k is the 1 by 10. We know the value of the from 1, that is 1 by 10, plus 1.6 minus 0.64. This is equal to 1.2 plus 1.6 minus 0.64 is equal to 2.8 minus 0.64 is equal to 2.80, 0.64, it's 2.16. Therefore, variance of x is equal to 2.16. Next, third one is over. Fourth one, probability of x is greater than or equal to 2, that is equal to probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3, that is equal to probability of x equal to 2 is 0.3 plus probability of x equal to 3 is k, that is equal to 0.3 plus 1 by 10. Why? Because k equal to 1 by 10. This is equal to 0.3 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.4. So, probability of capital X is greater than or equal to 2 is equal to 0.4. Next, fifth one, probability of x is less than 2. We know that 1 minus probability of x is greater than or equal to 2 is the probability of x is less than 2. It is equal to 1 minus 0.4 equal to 0.6, or probability of x is less than 2 means we can take probability of x is equal to minus 2 plus probability of x equal to minus 1 plus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. Now we can take the values 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k. It is equal to 0.3 plus 3k equal to 0.3 plus 3 by 10. It is equal to 0.3 plus 0.3. It is equal to 0.6. So you can take any one of the case. Then if you go any one of the case, then you are getting the same answer. Okay. Sixth one, probability of minus 1 is less than x is less than 2, x is less than 3, that is equal to minus 1 after the value, that is probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. Before of 3 only, not is the 3 value. So we can write x equal to 0 probability is 0.2 plus 1 is 2k plus 2 is 0.3. It is equal to 0.5 plus 2 by 10. Why? Because k is equal to 1 by 10. This is equal to 0.5 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.7. So the probability of minus 1 is less than x is less than 3 is equal to 0.7 is the value. So this is the way how to do the given problem to find what they are asking.